Click on the link below to get price. The 6 by 5 feet outdoor storage shed is an impressive addition to any backyard or garden, combining durability and functionality in a compact design. Crafted from galvanized steel, this shed offers excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, making it a reliable storage solution that can withstand various weather conditions. The assembly process is relatively straightforward, though it may require 2 people to handle the panels efficiently. The instructions are clear, but some users may benefit from additional visual aids or online tutorials. One of the standout features of this storage shed is its spacious interior, allowing ample space for garden tools, lawn equipment, and outdoor accessories. The double doors provide easy access, making it convenient to store and retrieve items quickly. The shed's height is adequate for most gardening tools, and the sloped roof design effectively channels rainwater away, preventing water pooling. Ventilation is a key consideration in any outdoor shed, and this model includes strategically placed vents that promote air circulation, helping to minimize moisture buildup. This is particularly important for preventing mold and mildew, especially if you plan to store items like soil or fertilizers. The aesthetic appeal of the shed should not be overlooked. Its sleek metal exterior comes in a neutral color, allowing it to blend seamlessly into various outdoor environments. While it's designed for functionality, it still manages to maintain an attractive profile that won't detract from your garden's beauty. In terms of security, the shed is equipped with a lockable door mechanism, providing peace of mind when storing valuable tools and equipment. However, consider bolstering security with an additional padlock for enhanced protection. Overall, the 6 by 5 feet outdoor storage shed is a solid investment for anyone looking to organize their outdoor space. It combines durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal, making it an excellent choice for gardeners and homeowners alike.